Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's discuss about Heron's formula. In earlier classes, we have studied about various figures, shapes and their properties. Also, we have studied about perimeter and area of these figures. Now, in this chapter, we will learn a new formula about a triangle to find its area. Now, let's just quick recap about the area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now we know that in triangle there are three types. We know that in triangle there are totally three types. One is equilateral triangle, which has all three sides equal. Second is isosceles triangle. And third is scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. It has equal vertices as well as it has equal angle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and one more side is it differs. In scalene triangle, all three sides are unequal. Now we know that the area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Area of isosceles triangle is equal to b by 4 a square minus b square. Scalene triangle. A Greek philosopher or mathematician named Heron of Alexandria invented a formula to find the area of triangle in terms of its three sides, also scalene triangle. This is a triangle with sides A, B, C, and all these three sides are unequal. AB unit BC, AC unit BB, and BCB A. Now we have to find the semi-perimeter of all these sides. So semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Now we want semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Means half of the perimeter. Usually denoted by letter S, and for perimeter it is letter P. Area of triangle ABC is equal to under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The above formula was discovered by Heron. It's known as Heron's formula. This formula is used to find the area of scalene triangle, also remaining two triangles. Points to remember. There are mainly 4 points that we have to remember about this triangle. First point, semi-perimeter of an isosceles triangle with base A units and equal of each side with B units. Let unequal side be A and two equal sides be B. So semi-perimeter is equal to 2B plus A by 2. Perimeter is equal to 2B plus A. Second point, semi-perimeter of an equilateral triangle with equal sides A units is equal to 3A by 2 units. So perimeter will be 3A. Third point. Length of the longest altitude is perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex of the smallest side of a triangle. Fourth point. Length of the smallest altitude is perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex to the longest side of a triangle. Now let's just recap everything. Triangle. Triangle is a three-sided closed polygon. This is a triangle ABC. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. There are three types of triangle as per the sides. Equilateral triangle which has all three sides equal. Isosceles triangle which has two sides equal and unequal third side. In scalene triangle, all sides are unequal. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Isosceles triangle area is equal to b by 4 under root of 4 a square minus b square. Scalene triangle area is equal to under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This formula was found by Heron and he named this formula as Heron's formula. Here S is known as semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter by 2. Based on the scalene triangle formula, let's do a problem. Find the area of a triangle with sides 4 meter, 6 meter, 8 meter. Now first let's write given. Given A is equal to 8 meter, B is equal to 6 meter, C is equal to 4 meter. Now, first you have to find the S value. S is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 4 by 2. 18 by 2. 18 is divisible by 2, so 9 meter is the S value. Delta is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Delta is equal to under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now we found S value. Let's just substitute the given values. Under root 9 minus 8, A value is 8, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 4. Under root of 9 into 1 into 3 into 5. By subtracting 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 4, 5. Now, you have to simplify this. 9 will be 3 into 3 and 1 is 1 and 3 and 5 is not divisible by anything. So, 3 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 5 under root. Now, 3 into 3 is 9 and root of 9 is 3. So, 3 comes out and remaining 1 into 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 1, 15. So the area is equal to 3 root 15 meter square. Now let's just recap everything. First, you have to read the question, understand it, write given. Then you have to find S value first and then you have to substitute the given values in the formula. Then simplify that. If you find two numbers like similar numbers 3, 3, you have to just check 1 because it's under root. So when you come out of the root, only one number would come out.